Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my gosh, again, I love this. So I'm reviewing and looking at Jon Renau today, and this style is called Zara, and she's in a new color for me, which is Malibu Blonde. So I have Zara in 12FS8, and that's a great color, but this is a new Zara in a new color for me, a little bit darker. So we're gonna try her on. As usual, I like to start on the inside. So here we go. On the inside, we have all this free parting space. This is open wefted, and we have our Velcro adjusters here in the back. And what I like to do, first thing, as you know, I like to give her a shake. We know she's got a lot of free parting, so I've set my wig cap up for a left side part. And let's go ahead and put her on and see what we see. Okay. I always like to make sure I have the back right here where the tag is. I have been known to put a wig on backwards. So you only do it once and then yeah, okay. So here we go. And then flip up and then let's adjust her. Oh, she's gorgeous. All right. I love long hair. So we're going to part her where I like to wear her. And if you don't have a wide tooth comb and you're wearing wigs, you definitely need a wide tooth comb. Look at this. Look at this beauty. She's gorgeous. Let me show you the hairline. And as you know, I like to adjust my hairline to come down a little bit on my forehead so that I actually have 4 fingers instead of my hairline's way back here. So I love having this option to change my hairline. Beautiful, gorgeous. She's super soft. You can see in the light, she picks up the light. I'm standing in front of a window. Let me show you the back. Put her back like this. I'm getting Marsha vibes. Love these little wispy bangs here, which would be beautiful putting her up in a half up because we've got this face framing here. But let's show you the back. Gorgeous, right? Just beautiful. Now you can part her anywhere you want because we have all of this free parting. So let's take her down the middle. I have never been a middle part girl, even when middle parts were a thing. And I think they are a thing again. Let's see if I can even do a middle part. Again, this is Zara, and this is the style I wore to my high school reunion last year. Last year or the year before. Gorgeous. Super easy to wear, super easy to style. Okay, yeah, that's about a middly. Here we go. And you can always use maybe a little spritz of water to help tame the hair. I'm gonna take her back to a side part because I'm going out for dinner tonight. So let's do this. I'll show you how I do it. So when you get your wigs from wigs.com, you've seen probably my segment on to return or not to return. I'm telling you, I was so glad I did not return 2 wigs that I thought I was going to return. Wigs.com will take back your wig if you break the part, but not if you apply heat or styling gels, or if it's just a simple break the part and you've decided you can't stand it, they'll take it back. But I would urge you, don't send it right back because you may fall in love. This is just water. I'm using an empty smooth detangler bottle and adding the heat from my hand to help redirect the fibers. So again, this is Zara from Jon Renau. Let's see if you can see the hole. In Malibu Blonde. I think this is my new favorite blonde color. Love to know your thoughts. Cheers.